Guys, today I want to show you how to start a generator, which is Honda EB1000. Okay, so you have to put on the switch on, and after that you go for this particular oil on off, and after that this is the jog. You put it like this and pull the pulley. So as of now there's enough oil in here, so we'll just pull it and see. So after that you have to leave it as it is. Okay, so now it's okay. The generator is on and power is on. Now you can use. That's all. Okay, so in order to switch off this generator, you have to go for this on off button. Okay, so in order to switch off the generator, you have to switch off the generator like this. Yeah, that's all. And after that, put it off.